Hello viewers, welcome to my new video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will show how to use DS3231 real-time clock with Arduino. The DS3231 is a low-cost, extremely accurate I2C real-time clock. This RTC module maintains seconds, minutes, hours, day, date, month, and year information. Also, temperature can be measured using this module. Let's see how to interface DS3231 module with Arduino. For making this tutorial, I am using a breadboard for circuit connection, 16x2 LCD display for showing time, date and temperature, 10 kΩ potentiometer for LCD contrast control, DS3231 real-time clock module, Arduino Uno board, some jumper cables and 330 ohms resistor. This is the circuit schematic for this tutorial. The link of this schematic I will give below the video description. You can easily download the schematic from the link. First of all, I am connecting the Arduino 5V and ground pins with breadboard positive and negative terminal. Next, LCD VSS pin connected to the ground and VDD pin connected to the 5V. Then, potentiometer 1 terminal is connected to the ground, middle pin is connected to the LCD V0 pin and other terminal of the potentiometer connected to the 5V. After that, LCD RS pin is connected to the Arduino digital pin number 2, RW pin is connected to the ground and enable pin is connected to the digital pin number 3. Next, LCD D4, D5, D6 and D7 pins are connected to the Arduino digital pin 4 to 7 respectively. Last, LCD anode pin is connected to the 5V through a 330 ohms resistor and cathode pin is connected to ground. Now, RTC module ground pin is connected to the ground and VCC pin is connected to the 5V. RTC SDA pin is connected to the Arduino analog pin A4 and SCL pin is connected to the analog pin A5. Let's see the coding part of this tutorial. I am using DS3231 library for the programming, which is downloaded from rinkydinelectronics.com. First of all, I unzip the downloaded folder and include the library with the Arduino IDE. Next, open the Arduino IDE and click on the file option, then go to the example and find the DS3231 library. In the void setup section, this 3-line uncomment first. The first line rtc.set DOW function return day of the week, second line rtc.set time function for the time adjusting, and the last line rtc.set date function for the date setting. Now I am adjust the current day of the week, time and date. Before uploading the code, please check the board and port option. After uploading the code, comment this 3-line and re-upload the code. After uploading the code, I turn on the Arduino serial monitor. It shows the day of the week, date and time. With respect my desktop time setting, RTC time is 3 seconds fast because I upload the code too early. Next, for showing this data on LCD display, I modified the code. Here, I include the liquidcrystal.h header file for LCD display. Next line, I declare an object LCD, whose parameters are the RS enabled D4 to D7 pin inside the bracket. Inside the setup section, LCD.begin 16,2 represent the number of column and row of the LCD. After that, inside loop section, I called a time function which convert the 24 hours time format to 12 hours time format. This function is bottom side of the code. These lines for the showing time on LCD display and this condition for AM and PM. This line for the date and day of the week. Here rtc.get temperature return the temperature value. lc.write 223 for the LCD degree sign. Now I am going to re-upload the code. After uploading the code, LCD display shows nothing. Don't worry about that. For fix this problem, need to adjust the LCD contrast using potentiometer. Okay, now we can see the display shows the time and date. Also, day of the week and temperature. Hope you can make it easily at home yourself. Thank you for watching my video.